First, we've got the robot itself. We've got the charging station along with the power cord to keep your robot always charged and always ready to go run. We've got one extra high efficiency filter. One will already be inserted in the robot itself. With our patented 3-stage cleaning system, know that our tangle-free rubber brushes, along with our specially designed edge brush, are going to be able to allow Roomba to clean any type of floor that you have in your home. That's right, carpets, tile, whatever you got, Roomba can handle. Plus, Roomba can get into all those hard to reach areas like under your entertainment center, under the table, and even under your bed. With our patented dirt detect technology, know that Roomba can focus clean where it's needed the most. So, underneath the bed, where it might be the dirtiest because it's hard to reach, Roomba's gonna hang out there and make sure that spot is clean before moving off to another one. That's right, Roomba doesn't do single pass cleaning like you'll see with other robotic vacuum brands. Have a larger home, multiple kids, pets, maybe all of the above? Well, Roomba i3 Evo now includes our intelligent imprint smart mapping, where you get to pick and choose when and where you want Roomba to go clean in your home. Maybe you just want to clean the master bedroom and the dining room, and they're on the opposite ends of the house. Roomba's going to take off, do those rooms in the order that you chose, and then return home right after. With recharge and resume, when the battery's running low, Roomba will head home to its charge base, recharge its battery, and then pick up right where it left off. And it's going to continue to do this until the job's complete.
What a lovely day. How are things going on today? Let's make it clear. When a new member is ready to embrace a house, exploring is the first thing. Wait, what? You already got the map? Now all clear. You sure? Here's our naughty boy. Seems he is having fun. Well, baking means messing. Let's leave the mess to Yeti Vac 2 Pro. Now, all clear. Let's witness the real life of a YouTuber. Watch out. What a nice carpet. Oh yes, we have Yeeti. So many clutters. Don't worry, Yeeti knows its way. Now, all clear. Once a month, get it all done. It seems Yeeti can clear everything, but it can't clean your dog.
Alexa, turn on my S10.
the next generation self-empty robot. The Shark AI Robot Self-Empty XL. Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. And now, with Ultra Clean Mode, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean Mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI Robot also features a bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to 2 months. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. This is where cleaning power meets cleaning intelligence.
Roombas comes with a sleek anodized aluminum top that looks awesome. This is a clean base automatic dirt disposal that can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt, dust, and hair. Then you'll also receive the power cord, 1 extra filter, and 1 extra dirt disposal bag. Roomba J7 relies on so much more than just suction. With our patented 3-stage cleaning system, know that our tangle-free rubber brushes, along with our specially designed edge brush, are going to be able to allow Roomba to clean any type of floor that you have in your home. That's right, carpets, tile, whatever you got, Roomba can handle. And this Roomba is going to be the first that comes with a front-facing camera. That's right, this Roomba is going to be able to detect objects as small as cords that are on your floor. Once your Roomba J7 picks up all the dirt and debris that's off the floors in your home, Roomba's going to head home to the clean base, where it'll automatically empty its bin into an enclosed disposable bag that can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt, dust, and hair. And with the clean base, maintenance is a cinch. When the bag's full, simply open the lid to the clean base, pull the full bag up and out, throw this used bag in the trash. Go ahead and grab the nearby bag that's right next to it and slide it on into the clean base. Close the lid and your clean base is ready to use again. And with the retroflective tag that's up front here, this is going to allow the Roomba to know that this is its home base. This is going to allow for easier docking and improved mission completion. Roomba J7 even focuses the cleaning where it's needed the most, thanks to its dirt detect sensors. And while reactive sensor technology helps keep the Roomba from getting wedged under furniture because it senses where it can and cannot go. And with imprint link technology, know that your Roomba J7 is going to team up with the BravaJet M6 to give you that full floor cleaning. That's right, Roomba's going to go out and vacuum first, and then Brava's going to pick up right after. The navigation is so good that if the battery's running low, the Roomba will automatically return to its clean base, empty its bin, recharge its battery to the exact amount needed to finish the job. Then it's going to pick up right where it left off. The Roomba J7 remembers multiple floor plans, and it learns, maps, and even adapts to the home. This gives you control to send your robot to clean an entire level, certain rooms, or a specific area or object. But it doesn't just learn your home. Roomba J7 reacts to it in real time. Using precision vision navigation, the J7 identifies and avoids obstacles like pet waste and charging cords. As it cleans, it even sends you photos of the hazards it encountered so you're aware of them in your home and you can tell your robot how to handle it in the future. And because iRobot is so confident in this technology, we bring you the pet owner official promise. With this promise, if your Roomba J7 robot encounters pet waste that it doesn't avoid, iRobot will replace your robot at no cost to you. For even more control, you can now clean by zone. You can tell your robot to stay away from certain areas or objects with customizable keep-out zones. Or you can select and name smaller clean zones within a room and send your robot directly to those areas in the iRobot Home app or by voice command. Alexa, tell Saf to clean the rug.
Would you like to tell Bravo to mop when Saf is done?
No, thank you.
Okay, I'll tell Saf to vacuum the rug.
Introducing Deebot X1 Plus, the brand new multi-function Deebot from Ecovacs. Okay, Eco, let's get to know my home.
Okay, I am coming. I am creating the map for your home now.
The Pioneer IV 3D, enhanced recognition capability, equipped with supercomputing power, achieving accurate obstacle avoidance at home.
Mapping is complete. Please check the app. I will keep learning and improving by updating obstacle avoidance data. More efficient every time.
Okay, Eco, follow my voice.
No problem. I will start cleaning now.
The exclusive 4-stage deep cleaning system with 5,000 paw suction power. The third generation of Osmo Pro technology. Scrub away multiple stubborn stains efficiently. Unleash the ultimate cleaning power. The innovative air freshener continuously refreshes your home environment. The brand new empty station. Liberate your hands up to 60 days. Tomorrow's robots today. Deebot X1 Plus. Ecovacs brand new multi-function Deebot.
Gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the I gotta I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat.